In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your saved reels on Facebook. So let me just find a reel to save. So as you can see, I'm going to save this reel by clicking on these three dots and then clicking on the save video option. It's going to ask me to save the video to a collection. If you don't have any collection, you can create a collection by clicking the create collection option. But if you already have a collection, you can easily select your collection. So as you can see, I've saved this reel to my collection. So the question is, how can you access this saved reel? You can easily do that by clicking on these three dots right over here, or rather these three lines, and then going over to the saved option right over here. Once you do that, it's going to show you the reels or the videos you have saved. As you can see, here's the reel we saved. So that's how you can easily find your saved reels on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.